Today we are going to install a new stem on the bike. It's 70 mil in length, and it has a negative drop on it, a negative 10-degree drop on it. We're going to try and shorten the length of the overall bike for fit, and we're going to try to put a little bit of a drop on the bar just to give it a little bit more of a lower feel on it. So we will proceed from here. The first step that we have to take is to remove the handlebars from the old stem on the bike. So we'll undo the 4 bolts that hold this on, and after you remove the bolts out, your handlebar will be able to just drop down, and you don't have to disconnect anything. There's no need to. Just remove the front plate and pull the bar off, and down it goes. Now the second step would be to remove the top cap. Now, there we go, like so. And we happen to run a couple of spacers as well. And then you want to take off the side bolts or loosen them. And your stem will be close to be ready to take off. Okay. You just wiggle it off and pull it like that. Now take the new stem, and we're going to place this down over top. Like that. Just seat it on there. Line it best we can right now. We like to run spacers, and some people don't bother. We do. It allows you to adjust a few things if you need to on your steerer. That way, sometimes you've cut your tube a little low or whatever, and you haven't got a lot of room to play with. Now we'll just tighten this one up. This particular 3T stem uses torque head bolts rather than Allen, so you have to utilize that. And now you're ready to place the fork on, or the handle on. There we go. Put the bar up. 3T utilizes on these ones a titanium bolt, and that ensures a very strong hookup. It's really important, since this is what really keeps you from, crashing too bad. And put the last bolt in. After you put your stem on, it's generally a common practice to re-sit on and figure out exactly where you want to be, and so on. Possibly your brake leads are in a little different level, or make your adjustments for your comfort. And when you're tightening up the bolts, make sure that you don't tighten one side entirely before you go to the other. You just put it a little bit snug and then go to the finger tight maybe. then go to the other ones and keep doing that. There's always a chance of pinching, doing it the other way and getting unfair clamping. We'll just do it up just snug. We'll be adjusting this after this video for fit and so on after, but for now we'll just have this hooked up like this. And there we go, pretty much all done. As you can see, there's quite a slope difference on the stem, and it is considerably shorter. This will obviously make some handling differences on this bike. It'll be a little bit quicker in single track, and that's what we're hoping to make. So we'll have to do a test ride on it and put up a report, see how it goes.